all, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use your ChatGPT, how you can make one account with ChatGPT with your Apple ID. Very simple process. You can do that with your Apple account, Google account, or any other email address. If you're using iPhone, it would be better if you create with Apple ID, more faster. If you don't see here at the phone, you can go to apps library. At the top you will see I hit this button to open. It's loading. Now welcome to ChatGPT. In this case I'm going to show you, if you don't have any account, how to create an account. So here at the bottom, hit continue button. You can use it without having account. So here you can write what is the capital of the USA. Click here. Washington DC. Simple answer. So if you don't have account, how you can create account? So here at the top you have sign up button. Click this one. You can continue with your Apple account and also continue with your Google account. You have sign up and login option. So if you have Apple account here, just click continue with Apple account. Here, sign with Apple ID, sign up Apple in fast, easy, more private way. So this is the fastest way. You can go with the Gmail account or you can personally do that. So as you are in iPhone, so use your Apple ID, hit continue button here. If you sign with your Apple account, here my Apple account would appear, all the information with my Apple account. I hit continue button. I select one of my accounts. Yeah, everything is fine. Then hit continue button. You have to put the passcode of your phone. Continue with passcode. Is done. So I'm connected to my new Apple account without any problem. You can do this. Here at the bottom you see Harry Jeffrey. They make one account for me. The bottom you can see Harry Jeffrey. So it's very easy. If you have an Apple account, you just connect your Apple ID and with that you can create. Same way you can create your email address. You go to the bottom, there are many options there would be. With that you can create. So this is the way you can use ChatGPT and using with your Apple ID. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.